Hello, fifth grade. Hello, fifth grade mathematicians. This is entry task day 121. Problem number 1. Round 453 212 thousandths to the nearest hundredth. So we want to make sure, again, even on problems that we think are very simple, we want to make sure that we are being precise. So I'm going to circle the hundredths place. And we use the rule when we're rounding. 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. So the circled value is 100th, and the indicator is 2 thousandths. Well, that is 4 or less thousandths. So we're going to let the hundredths rest. And notice we know that it's 210 thousandths, but because we're told just to round to the nearest hundredth, we're only going to go to the hundredths place. So our rounded value would be 453 and 21 hundredths. There we have it. Okay, problem number 2. Barney has 54 ounces of grape juice. Maybe that's why he's all purple. He pours an equal amount of juice into 12 cups. Why is this not erasing? There we go. Enter the number of ounces of juice in each cup. Well, as I look at this, again, we want to take what we are dividing. We know that this is a division problem because he takes an amount and he splits it up, or he divvies it up amongst his 12 cups. So 54 divided by 12. And we want to know how much goes in each cup. So 54 divided by 12 is 54 twelfths. Now, when you know your 12 multiples, this is a fairly simple problem. I know 4 times 12 is 48. And that leaves me with 6 left over. And we can simplify that to 4 1/2. Okay, so each cup of juice has 4 1/2 ounces. Now, we could solve that with decimal division. We could use long division to do that. I just chose, in this case, to use fractions. So I did divide, but I was able to do a lot of that mentally because I know my times tables. Okay, problem number 3. The line plot shows the amount of rain in inches that fell over 5 days. I'm going to zoom in a little bit on the line plot there. And we are told to enter the amount of rain in inches that fell over those 5 days. So we're going to have to add 5 things up. And I'm going to write my expression. So I have 2 inches. And then the next one is 3 1/3. I want to make sure I have the correct interval. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So then I have 4, and then I have 2 copies of 5. Okay, so now I'm going to simplify this. So it's 2 plus 3 1/3 plus 4 plus 10. I can do that in my head, add all my whole numbers up, right? 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 10 is 19. And then I only have one fraction, so that's easy to add to the whole number. So I'm left with 19 1/3 inches fell in 5 days. 19 1/3 inches. There we go. Okay. Problem number 4. And use the graph to answer the question. Add a garbage dump at the point 1, 3. Well, that's simple enough. We'll just go to our grid here. We start at the origin. We go over 1 and up 3. And that's where my garbage dump goes. I'm going to draw a garbage can. And there we go. That's my garbage can. How do you like that? And I'm going to put the ordered pair there just in case they're like, what in the world is that? Right? Okay. And then our last problem. Complete the statement to describe the value of the expression 7 added to the difference between 4,343 and 654. So 7 more than the difference. We know that difference is subtraction. And we're going to write what is being subtracted. And in this case, we're subtracting 654 from 4,343. So there we have day 121. Nice work.